Hello, welcome to Turkish Delicious Recipes channel. I am Mehmet Büyükyörük. Today I will give you the preparation and recipe of karnıyarık. One of the most delicious dishes of Turkish cuisine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more beautiful content. Enjoy watching. For this, I have 2 medium-sized onions, 2 tomatoes, 3 garlic, some black peppers and paprika, 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste, 7 eggplants, some ground peppers and parsley. Finally, there is 300 grams of ground beef. I am going to heat some olive oil in white pan, and while it's heating, I am going to cut the onions. I am going to saute the onions until it has some color, about 3-4 minutes. Next, I am gonna cut the green peppers, again in the same size as onions. And in about 3-4 minutes after sauteing the onions, I am adding the ground beef. Now we can add the green peppers, and after 3-4 minutes we add the garlic and some salt. We grate the tomatoes, just grate without peeling it. Before the tomatoes, I am gonna add the tomato paste and saute them for a while. I am adding the tomatoes. Some more red pepper flakes and black pepper spicy. And my filling is almost done. I am going to cook it about 15 minutes on low until everything is soft. And at the last moment, I cut the parsley and add it to it and turn off the stove. Okay, let's begin to work with. When you decide to make karnıyarık, try choose medium size and some size eggplants. I am just cutting the long part of the stems, and I am going to parsley I am gonna do 2 eggplants, wrap them with salt and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. I am gonna pat dry them, and you can see how much juice is coming. After my oil is hot enough, I am beginning to cook them and turning the eggplants until it is soft. It took about 5-6 minutes until are in golden color and soft enough. Just gently drain the excess oil and transfer it. I continue to cook them until they are finished. I am going to cook karnıyarık is oven. As you can see, I pat them to get the excess oil. So I arrange my eggplants the cut side up. Just gently open the cut we made without turning from the ends on at the tops, and then I am going to begin fill them with the meat filling. I have something green peppers and just taking them to the middle of the eggplants. And the last thing is to make a tomato sauce for our eggplants dish karnıyarık. Add some olive oil and saute it about 1 tablespoon tomato paste. And add about 2 cups hot water and cook until smooth. Just pour the tomato sauce over and between the eggplants. Cook the karnıyarık in the preheated to 100-degree oven for about 30 minutes. And here is our karnıyarık stuffed eggplants ready. I am really excited that I had shared this recipe with you. Hope you like watching it. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes. Bon appetit!